Peeps, guess where we are? Volcano Bay. Obviously, not being Florida residents, it took us a little while to get here, but we are here today. We're here with Kyle from View from the Cheap Seats. And we're gonna check this place out. Not really a normal water park guy. I don't go to water parks a lot, but I've been excited to check this one out. See what universal magic is here.
All right, so he told me to come over here and film this tiki thing, and then as soon as I walked over, it started to talk. This is like the queuing area of the park. You see, like, these are where the lines are starting. Ooh. There it goes. That's what I meant.
And we are here. We got our TapuTapus. It tells me to visit a ride totem to get a return time. Okay, it's pretty hefty. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Guys, I mean, I know I'm not a water park guy, but that is a breathtaking view, that volcano. The video does not do it justice. That is amazing. So right over there is the new Cabana Bay building. So if you stay there, you can pretty much see this entire park. And we're walking in the sand right now. Up ahead, you've got this massive pool. And we're gonna take a look around, see what we can see. Here is a map of Volcano Bay, food and beverage, merchandise, all the different attractions. So you walk in right here, and we just showed you, I guess we kind of found a spot around here to sit in front of the volcano. Bunch of stuff to look at. Here are the ride times. Like I said, it's 8:17 a.m. They open at 9 to the public, but because we are staying on property, we get to come in an hour early. Bunch of the stuff, ride now, enjoy anytime, leisure pool. Pretty much everything is ride now or enjoy anytime. Right past that on the left is the Waturi marketplace, which is their souvenir shop. It looks like you pretty much have to walk through that to get to a bunch of stuff on that side of the park. But you've got your shirts and towels and a bunch of stuff that we actually showed you last year when the park was opening. Just as an FYI, if you don't bring your own towels, you actually have to rent towels here at Volcano Bay. It's $5 for a towel for a day. All right, we have successfully used our TapuTapu to pay for towels. So we linked our card to it using the Universal Orlando app. And I wasn't sure if it worked. It's not obvious that it is working, but we tried it in the park and everything's set. So you can actually just walk around with this thing all day to pay for stuff. All right, Krakatoa Katie's is on your right as you enter the park. More souvenirs. I see tiki mugs in there. Looks like fans, like eyeglass wares. And we're making our way further into the park. Kahuna Reef is right across from that. It is Restaurants and Social Club, Taste of the Islands, coconut curry chicken, mango barbecue pulled pork sandwich, and pepperoni pizza. I wonder what island they serve that on. Over here they have the premium rental seating. This is $50 a day, and it includes 2 chairs, a lockbox, and an awning, so you can store your stuff. And over here you have a cool looking bar called the Dancing Dragons. I see some frozen drinks in there, some beer on tap, full bar. Everyone, when this park first opened, talked about the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. It is a water coaster, but it's also a water slide. I don't know, it sounds awesome. Let's go ride it. Hanu Ika Moana is the name of these two raft slides. So the green one looks more enclosed. The blue one has that, like a big bunch of those like large loops that you feel like you're gonna fall out of the thing. Let's go ride those. So here is the Taniwa tubes. There are 4 tubes, green and blue. The blues are fully enclosed. The greens are more open. All right, let's give it a shot. Here's a look at the nice, calm, lazy river. We're gonna head in there momentarily. It's nice and relaxing. We are 3 hours in. We've ridden like 4 water slides. We rode Krakatau 3 times in a row. Yeah, I highly recommend if you're staying on site, get here early.
Yeah.
So, are you enjoying it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is fantastic.
Yeah, really enjoying this water park. It's definitely worth checking out. It's not perfect. There are definitely some issues, but the rides are all a lot of fun so far. Yeah, exactly. We stopped at Kahola Reef to get food. I got the Hawaiian ribs, Jen got the burger, and I got the Volcano Blossom, which looks like a beer made specifically for Volcano Bay. All right, I'm gonna give this Volcano Blossom beer a shot. Oh, it's good. It's got like some type of fruit flavor to it. I don't know exactly what.
It's blossomy.
It's blossomy. It's volcano-y. It's blossomy.
Blossomy.
No, it's actually good. It's crisp. It's refreshing. I like this one. Look at this bird just chilling here, sunbathing, enjoying Volcano Bay. Tot Tiki Reef. It's like a whole kids area over here with tiki stuff. No wait, maybe I was looking at something different. That says Tot Tiki Reef, but over there it says Ranamuka Reef. Maybe they're the same type of thing. But here it is. They have this giant, maybe that's the tiki part, and this is the Ranamuka. Look how elaborate that is. I mean, if I was a kid, I'd go crazy in there. Look, he's got like obstacles, bridges, water slides, things that spray you, bunch more slides, and I just got sprayed with water. Oh, goodness. Wow, look at the size of this cabana that these people rented. So these are like, I guess maybe pricier cabanas. When we first walked in, they told us that the cabanas started at $200. They included the lockbox, things like that. Pretty cool looking. Next up, we're going to take a walk through the volcano. I'm excited for this. I can hear the spirit of the volcano talking. Oh, check it out. There's a TapuTapu thing. So I'm going to do my TapuTapu. Whoa, look at that. That's cool. Oh, Kyle's over here talking to the spirit of the volcano. Hello.
Are you taking my picture?
Yep.
Oh, here, let me smile for you. Cheese. Did you get it?
We did. It's video.
Oh, good. Oh, okay. So I can move around.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
So who are you?
So, what adventures have we been on today? You went on the Krakatoa aqua coaster? Yeah. Ooh, was it fun? Ooh. Many times in a row? Wow.
If you walk through the volcano, this is the view you can get under the slides that go through it. Down there is the Action River, which we rode earlier. This is an awesome view. Sadly, no luck going on the Kala and Tainui serpentine body slides, which are these that go through the volcano. They're very exciting, but they also have a weight limit of 200 pounds, which is a weight I haven't seen in a long time. So, sadly, no Kala and Tainui for us. Even though we already ate and I'm full, here's the Feasting Frog where you can get the tacos. So here is the tacos. There's a bar. Pretty cool. Chicken tacos, steak tacos, nachos, corn dogs. Well, these look like fun. Let's check these out. Just got off the Meku ride. I don't know if the video came out, but if it does, you'll see how genuinely terrified we were. I thought I was going to fly out of that ride, just like fly out of the tube itself. In fact, at the end, when we hit the water, I did. At the very end, I came flying out as soon as we hit the bottom of the tube. It was pretty scary. I mean, like, I don't know. Out of all the rides, I will say I enjoyed every single ride except that one. That one was just a little too scary for me.
They need to change the type of raft.
You're going to see Jen's terrified face in that video.
Like, seriously, like, no.
Yeah, it was scary. And now we're making our exit from Volcano Bay. We actually came from the Cabana Bay walkway coming in, so I wanted to see how the regular entrance looks going out. The escalators, they told us, aren't working today, but pretty cool little building there. And look at this tunnel. We're heading towards the shuttles, and this is the tunnel to the shuttles.
Am I too old for this?
No. So we had a blast at Volcano Bay. It is about 2:30. We got there around 8. So
Like it's 52:30.
52:30. So about 6.5 hours. We rode a bunch of the rides. We ate.
We almost died.
We almost died on that Migu tube thing. Yeah. Not a fan.
Yeah.
Not the best way to end the day. But we enjoyed the rest of it. It was a blast.
Oh, yeah.
I would definitely go back there again. And this is from someone who
Yeah, the wave pool was
doesn't
fantastic.
like water parks.
All the wave pool was great. The food was really good.
Yeah, the food was good.
And all the other slides we did were so great.
Yeah, so Volcano Bay, thumbs up. Definitely worth checking out at least once if you're here and the weather is worth going to a water park for.
Yeah, we had a good weather day.
Alright, so that does it for this video. Make sure you subscribe. We are going to be at
Take a nap.
we are going to be at Halloween Horror Nights all weekend, Universal Studios, all sorts of cool stuff to show you. So we will see you guys next time.